In a small town in Texas, there lived a young man named Ethan Miller. He dreamed of becoming a successful entrepreneur, but like many people, he thought he had all the time in the world. Ethan would wake up late, scroll endlessly on his phone, and push his dreams aside with the same words every day. "I'll do it tomorrow." His father, a retired carpenter, noticed this. One evening, he called Ethan into the workshop and pointed at an old wooden clock hanging on the wall. "Son," he said, "this clock has been ticking for 50 years, never stopping. But do you know what it's really telling you? Every tick is a piece of your life you'll never get back." Ethan laughed. "Dad, I'm only 24. I have plenty of time." His father shook his head. "Time doesn't care about your age. Every wasted hour is an opportunity gone. You can make money back, but you'll never make time back." That night, Ethan couldn't sleep. He kept hearing the steady tick, tick, tick of that clock. The next morning, something changed. Ethan got up early, wrote down his goals, and started working on his business idea. He gave up small distractions and treated every hour as an investment in his future. Years passed. Ethan built a small online store that grew into a nationwide brand. When people asked him the secret of his success, he would always smile and say, "I stopped waiting for tomorrow. I learned that success belongs to those who respect time." One day, when his father passed away, Ethan placed the old wooden clock in his office. Every client who visited noticed it. Beneath the clock, Ethan had carved a single line: "Your time is your life. Spend it wisely." Moral: success is not about how much time you have, but how well you use the time given to you. In Texas or anywhere in the world, those who respect time rise above those who waste it.